We will be doing an oil change on this Honda lawnmower. First you check the oil level. This one is old and overfilled. Next you're going to get a drip pan and tilt the motor on its side to get all the oil out. While it's on its side, I like to look underneath and see if the blades need to be sharpened or if it needs to be cleaned. You're going to tip the motor upright and clean up any spills or drips. Next, you're going to check the oil for any sparkles or shards of metal. Next, you're going to pour 12 ounces of W30 oil. We're going to check the spark plug. We're going to look for rust, or in this case, excessive oil. Next, you're going to install the spark plug and wire. Now we're just double checking our oil level. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it.